What's up, guys? Luis from Lumedia here, and today we're going to talk about a topic that has been pretty much on fire since the beginning of the year, and I've seen tons of my colleagues cover this, and I know I'm super late to it, but I feel that I owe it to my subscribers that are in the creative world for me to cover NFTs. Yep, that's right, guys. I have spent the last couple of weeks diving super deep into NFTs, learning the ins and outs, trying to find the best way to put a video together for y'all, and I think this is it. So I first heard about NFTs at the beginning of the year, and I was super hyped and pumped about it until life kind of took over, and here we are now, months later, and I finally kind of was able to dive in and learn the ins and outs of it. So we're gonna get started, guys. So what is an NFT? An NFT is a unique asset on a blockchain, and we're gonna go ahead and dissect the word NFT, or what the actual words of the abbreviation NFT are, and that is non-fungible token. And that word fungible is a little odd, right? It's something you don't really hear in common terminology or everyday lingo, at least not me. And we're going to kind of dissect the word a little bit here. We're going to start with the funkiest word, which is fungible. Fungible is an asset that can be exchanged for another asset of its kind, or the same kind. So, for example, a dollar bill. You add non in front of the word fungible, and it kind of flips it the other way, right? Non-fungible is an asset of its kind that cannot be exchanged for another asset of its own kind, because it in itself is unique and one of a kind. So pretty much there's only one of it exists in the whole digital world. That's kind of where the non comes into. And token, it being a type of something that holds value in the blockchain, right? Lewis, what can an NFT be? That's pretty simple. An NFT can be anything from an image, a GIF, a video, audio, music. It can even, I've even seen tweets that have sold from, I'm sure you guys heard, Elon Musk. And yeah, so pretty much any digital asset that you can create on a computer, phone, on the internet, whatever, can become an NFT. But let's not get NFTs confused with cryptocurrency, right? So the crypto's kind of been the biggest thing since sliced bread for the past couple of years, with Bitcoin and with Ethereum and a bunch of other Doge this year and Shiba more recently. But not get an NFT confused with cryptocurrency. Now, you can buy NFTs with crypto. The reason that NFTs were created was because in the past, creators or copywriters didn't really have a way to be able to easily prove that they are the owner of a digital asset. Now, yes, you have metadata and that type of stuff, but once it gets edited, that kind of can go away. So NFTs were created with that intention in mind, and not only does the blockchain prove who is the original owner of that specific digital asset, but it will also, if wanted, will continue paying the original owner royalties or a percent of whatever that asset continues to be sold for. So, for example, if I created an NFT and I sold it on OpenSea, which is a marketplace for NFTs, and I sold it for $100, and I made my initial $100, whatever, and then that owner later sells it a year later for $10,000. Whatever I set my royalty fee to be, I will get that pretty much for the rest of my life, as long as the NFT continues to be sold on the blockchain or through a marketplace or whatever. And I think that's pretty awesome that forevermore you will get a royalty if your NFT is sold down the road. I think it's powerful, guys. Powerful stuff. So Obviously, other things that you would need is a crypto wallet to be able to purchase NFTs if you ever did want to invest in them. And you would also need to know where to purchase NFTs. Like I said, you have OpenSea, which is probably one of the more popular marketplaces. You have Rarible.com, KnownOrigin.com as well. Those are kind of the more popular ones that I've seen. So yeah, guys, you can go to any of those marketplaces with your crypto wallet, and one that you can get that's fairly easy is from Coinbase, and then you just install a plugin into your Chrome browser. I'll make more videos on that topic down the road, but yeah, you essentially take your crypto, you purchase crypto with your money, and then you take that crypto, go to one of those marketplaces, purchase an NFT that you think you either want to invest in or you just want to own. There's tons of different projects going on, guys, and in the future videos I will be showing you what projects I'm kind of eyeballing, what I'm gonna be investing in if I do decide to start investing in NFTs, and even how you can start your own collection. There is a bunch of different things that go into starting your own collection, whether you want to start a full collection or you want to do a one-off piece. Also, the gas when you're trying to mint some of your NFTs, what marketplace to choose, and what blockchain to pick as well. Bunch of other stuff that goes along with NFTs. If you want to learn more of the in and outs, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you learned even just a little bit today, or if I was able to explain this in a little bit of an easier way than anybody else that you see on YouTube, please help the algorithm spread this video around YouTube. And yeah, guys, leave a comment below if you've started NFT investing, or if you plan to get into NFTs, if you've already started investing in crypto. What NFTs or crypto are you looking at right now that you're investing in? Leave a comment below. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one.